Out here back at my home lake, Lake Cachuma. Finished my vacation at Big Bear. Absolutely beautiful lake. Definitely want to visit again. Looks like the big black crappie right now are out and about, along with some bass. So I'm going to do the marina loop. Worked for me in the past, see what produces. Nothing happens. I'm heading over to the bathroom triangle across the lake. Both my brothers, Scooter and Mikey, are here today. Right there, they're joining me. Should be a good day of fishing with the bros. Alright, let's get some fish. Got a fish on. My lucky lure. It's got some size to it too. So what do we got? Oh, we got a decent sized smallie. All right, fish on. Got myself a nice sized smallie. Let's see how big he is. Got a nice belly. Pretty freaking fish though. Yeah. All right, he is 12 inches. 12-inch fish. Inch smallmouth. Really pretty fish. All right, let me make sure everything's closed so I can do the underwater. It is. Let's let him go. Beautiful fish though. Can't tell if it's a fish or if it's reeds. Oh, it's a fish. What do we got? Oh, another smallmouth. It went for it. On that magic crankbait. Different color though. Alright, let me get this guy off the hook. Alright. 10-inch fish. Just a little guy. Always fun to catch something though. Was just doing the troll a little bit faster. Like I said earlier, it worked great with the crankbait that's always catching fish. Alright, let's get it going. Fish on. Oh, this thing's big. Ooh, this thing's really big. Oh, this thing's massive. What is this? Oh, this is a big old largemouth. I think it's gonna be my personal best. Get on. Yeah, buddy. I think it's gonna be my personal best. All right, let's get him off of here. Beautiful fish. Oh yes. Guy's got a belly. All right, I'm gonna get the other one in and then we'll do some work. All right, I'm gonna go with 1.2. Keeps going in between both of them. And then, how big is it? It is 13 inch. 13 inch right there. Gorgeous fish. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's let this monster go. Personal best largemouth. 13 and a half inches, 1.2 pounds. All right. All I've been doing is going in between the marina to the end of the line, catching bass, trolling. All right, let's catch some more. 3 fish so far, 2 smallmouth, 1 largemouth, personal best largemouth. I think they, my brothers over there, have 3 fish too. We're gonna see who gets the biggest fish.
It's right here. It's in the shot.
I'm filming the debauchery, by the way.
Debauchery. Yeah, he's in his own environment.
Oh yeah, he does. Oh yeah.
All right, I got him.
Turn it on.
Is it on? 1.38.
Damn, you got me by 0.1.
Nice, you beat him, dude.
Do it one more time, just in case.
What was yours?
1.24. You know, like turn it on, then turn it off, because it's on hold.
Tear.
Yeah.
Tear 0. .32.
Nice, you got me. Yeah, that thing's got a belly.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice catch. Very nice catch. Fish on.
Feels pretty big too. This is what it is. Feels real big.
This thing feels massive. Ready? Just in case. Hopefully a crappie. There are big ones. I wanted one. Let's see what happens. It's big.
Ooh, it is real big. Is it trout?
Oh, I just foul hooked them, so the feeling's weird. Alright, another largemouth. Let's check them out. Good looking largemouth caught on the Lucky Lure. It is 12.5 inches. Decent size. Pretty looking fish. 4th one of the day. We have a challenge going, me and the boat, Kayak versus boat. And they have 3 and this puts me ahead. And we have about another half an hour, 45 minutes left of fishing. Hopefully this puts me on the winner. Man, they are fat and they are not spawning right now. They're eating good. All right, let's release them.